Welcome to a world where security meets style. This is your guide to modern window grill designs for 2025 homes. If you're designing a new home or updating your current space, window grills are no longer just a safety feature. They're a bold statement of design, blending aesthetics, innovation, and function like never before. So, why do modern window grills matter? First, let's talk about security. That's always been their primary function, protecting your home from unwanted intrusions and adding a layer of peace of mind. But today, grills do more than just guard your windows. They define the look and feel of your home's exterior. That brings us to style. With clean lines, elegant patterns, and contemporary materials, modern grills can elevate your home's curb appeal. Whether you prefer something bold and artistic or subtle and sophisticated, there's a design to match your vision. And then there's versatility. Modern grills adapt beautifully to different architectural styles, whether it's a minimalist urban home, a cozy modern farmhouse, or a sleek contemporary villa. They're designed to integrate seamlessly, enhancing the character of your home rather than clashing with it. Now, let's explore the materials that are redefining window grill design in 2025. Aluminum is leading the way. It's durable, lightweight, and comes in a wide range of finishes. Perfect for modern homes, it's also resistant to rust, making it ideal for all climates. Stainless steel offers a sleek, polished look. It's incredibly strong, corrosion resistant, and brings a sense of luxury to any design. Great for homeowners who want both elegance and long term durability. And for those who want flexibility with color and finish, powder coated iron is a fantastic option. Not only is it eco friendly and low maintenance, but it also gives you the freedom to match or contrast with your home's color scheme. Now let's talk design, because this is where things really get exciting. One of the hottest trends right now is the minimalist geometric pattern. Think clean lines, perfect symmetry, and subtle sophistication. These grills are sleek, modern, and ideal for homes with a contemporary edge. If you prefer something softer and more artistic, floral and nature inspired patterns are making a big comeback. These grills feature organic curves, delicate vines, and leaf motifs, bringing a calming, natural vibe to your space. And of course, for the ultimate personal touch, customized designs allow you to bring your vision to life. Whether it's a traditional motif, a family symbol, or even your initials, you can turn your window grill into a work of art. Now, how are these intricate designs made possible? Let's look at some of the innovative techniques driving the industry forward. Laser cutting is a game changer, offering precision and the ability to create complex detail patterns that were once impossible by hand. Then there's powder coating, which not only gives grills their beautiful color, but also ensures long lasting protection from the elements. It's fade resistant, scratch resistant, and built to last. And in 2025, grills are getting smart. Smart integration is becoming more common, with features like remote controlled opening, built in security systems, and even sensors that connect to your home's automation system. Talk about futuristic functionality. Now, before you choose a window grill for your home, here are a few quick tips. Start by considering your home's architecture. Is it modern, classic, or somewhere in between? Choose a grill design that complements its overall style. Next, pick materials that not only look great but are suited to your climate and lifestyle. Durability, maintenance, and appearance should all play a role in your decision. And finally, don't go it alone. Consult with professionals who can help you visualize, design, and install grills that meet both your aesthetic and practical needs. So, whether you're going for sleek geometric lines, a nature inspired look, or a smart tech enabled system, remember, modern window grills are more than just a barrier. They're a beautiful, functional part of your home's identity. Thanks for watching.